Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brainleague Learning. In this video, we will learn Bernoulli's theorem, understand its meaning, and then derive the equation step by step. First, let's see a simple pipe diagram. We will mark 2 points along the flow. At point 1, the fluid has pressure P1, speed V1, and height H1. At point 2, the fluid has pressure P2, speed V2, and height H2. Bernoulli's theorem says that for an ideal fluid flowing steadily, the sum of pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy per unit volume remains constant along a streamline. Let us interpret each term. P is pressure energy per unit volume. 1/2 rho V squared is kinetic energy per unit volume, and rho GH is potential energy per unit volume. Now, let's derive Bernoulli's equation using work and energy. We consider a fluid element moving from point 1 to point 2 inside a pipe. Let the pressure at point 1 be P1 and at point 2 be P2. Let the fluid move a small distance. The work done by pressure forces is P1 times A times delta X1 minus P2 times A times delta X2. Because A times delta X is the volume, we can write this as P1V minus P2V. The change in kinetic energy is 1/2 rho V times V2 squared minus V1 squared. The change in potential energy is rho Vg times H2 minus H1. By the work-energy principle, work equals change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy. Combine all terms and divide by V. Rearranging gives the standard Bernoulli equation P1 plus 1/2 rho V 1 squared plus rho GH1 equals P2 plus 1/2 rho V2 squared plus rho GH2. So Bernoulli's theorem tells us that the total mechanical energy per unit volume stays constant along a streamline. This connects pressure, speed, and height in a flowing fluid. Thank you for learning with Brainleague Learning.